Hi, this is Cliffordine Watson with DS Domination. Wanting to get with you to let you know some of the reasons why I joined DS Domination. I have been in the network marketing industry for over 20 years, and I've done a little of everything. Mary Kay, Tupperware, I've done telemarketing, I've done telephone services, ACN, YTV. I have been in several businesses, and each one of those businesses I was in, I had to recruit people in order to get paid, and it was really stressful, and I really didn't make the profit that I was told I was going to make because I had to recruit people, and then they would quit, and that made me not make any money. What I love about DS Domination is that I don't have to recruit people to make money. They train us on how to sell items on eBay. That money goes directly into my PayPal account. I purchase the item through my wholesaler and ship it directly to the customer, and the profit is mine, no one else's. I don't have to rely on having to recruit people to make money, and that is wonderful. I love that. We hear the cha-ching noise because I have the eBay app on my cell phone, and anytime I sell something, and anytime someone pays me on PayPal, directly into my PayPal account, I hear cha-ching, 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 and I love that sound. I hear it at night, in the middle of the night. I hear it while I'm cooking. I hear it while I'm at work if I have my phone on. I hear it all the time, and I love the cha-ching sound because I know I've made some money in my PayPal account. And like I said, it's money that I don't have to share with people. I don't have to recruit people. If you choose to recruit people, that's another avenue that you can make money with DS Domination on, but you don't have to. You can stay in your home, on your computer. You can list items and make money without having to say a word to anyone if you don't choose to. So, again, this is Cliffordine Watson. I'm with DS Domination, Unit of Prosperity Team, and I would love to work with you to show you what we're doing. Click on the link below, www.dsddailyprofits.com, and join our group. I will be happy to work with you. I really like working with my team members, and I'm here to help you. So, you have a great day. Bye-bye.